You are standing in a crowded room. You say the wrong word or spill a drink. Everyone stops and looks at you. Immediately, a strange physical reaction takes over.
Your chest tightens. Your breathing shifts.
And then, the heat rises to your face.
You try to hide it, but that only makes it worse.
Your own body is betraying your deepest secret. We call it blushing. And in modern life, we view it as a painful weakness, a glitch in our confidence, a lack of control. If you could press a button to turn it off, you would. But that assumption is completely backwards. Because blushing is not a glitch at all. To understand why, start with the rest of the animal kingdom. Charles Darwin spent years studying human and animal emotions. He observed dogs, apes, and monkeys. He noted how they showed anger, fear, and joy. But he noticed something entirely unique about the blush. It does not exist anywhere else in nature. Darwin called it the most peculiar and human of all expressions. You are the only creature on Earth that feels physical embarrassment. So what exactly is your body doing? When you feel exposed, your sympathetic nervous system fires. This is the ancient wiring that controls your fight or flight response. Adrenaline floods your bloodstream. But instead of preparing your muscles to run away, the veins in your face and neck dramatically widen. Blood rushes to the surface of your skin. Your biology is violently pulling attention straight to your face. Why would evolution design an alarm that points directly at your mistakes? Psychology researchers have spent decades testing this exact question. They set up experiments where people break social rules, knocking over a display, or giving the wrong answer. The results are consistent and totally counterintuitive. When the person making the mistake visibly blushes, the group forgives them significantly faster. Observers rate blushing people as more trustworthy and reliable. This is the hidden mechanism of the blush. It is an involuntary, biological apology. You cannot fake a blush. You cannot force it. Which means it is the ultimate polygraph test. It signals to the tribe that you know you broke the rules. And more importantly, that you care what they think.
It is a peace offering, painted in blood across your cheeks.
It stops aggression before it even starts.
But for this system to work, a psychological miracle has to happen.
To feel embarrassed, you have to possess theory of mind.
You must be able to imagine what someone else is thinking.
And specifically, what they are thinking about you.
You have to step outside your own body. You look at yourself through the eyes of the group. No other animal has the cognitive architecture to do this. Your blushing face is proof of your advanced consciousness. But then we took this ancient social glue into the modern world. For thousands of years, you only interacted with your small tribe.
Today, you are surrounded by thousands of strangers.
You present yourself on screens to an invisible audience of millions.
The group is too big. The exposure is too high.
Your ancient apology system is working in overdrive, firing off defensive signals for tiny, meaningless modern infractions. Sending a peace offering to a room full of strangers who don't care.
Because we don't understand the mechanism, we punish it.
We treat a red face as a symptom of social anxiety. We buy thick makeup to hide the evidence. Some even undergo nerve surgery to stop the blood flow entirely. We are trying to erase the very thing that kept our ancestors alive. We silence the ghost to look perfectly, coldly composed. Before there were police, courts, or written contracts, trust was a fragile thing. Survival required knowing who you could truly rely on. Words could lie. Smiles could be faked. But the body could not. The blush was the original contract of human cooperation. A silent promise that we belong to each other. So the next time you drop a glass, and you feel that sudden, uncomfortable heat rising in your face,
Do not hate your body for betraying you.
it is not a sign of weakness.
It is the ghost of your ancestors, speaking through your skin.
Proving that you are undeniably, deeply human.